Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enhance your Instagram posts with music. So if you guys didn't know, now we can add music to an Instagram post. So not only Instagram story, but we can also add music to Instagram posts. So if you want to do that, just follow the steps. First, let's open the Instagram apps and then just click on the plus icon. Then select the photos that you want to post. Click on next at the top. Then in here you can see at the bottom you'll be directly see you'll see lots of music options that you can choose for your photos, but you can also browse. Click on browse to find your favorite music specifically. For example, I'm going to just write beautiful. Okay, here I'm going to just add this photo, this music's right here. You can click on a check icon and you can also add the photo if you want to, but if you're not, you can just click on next again. Then in here you can just write a post or click on share, or you can also write a caption first. Let's try to click on share. So after it's done, the music will be shown at the top of the photos just like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.